Remove the screws and install the holder. Install the handles. Position all the installed handles onto the holder. Position the treatment heads onto the holder. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Switch on the machine. Parameter setting. Pit, set according to the recipient's tolerance. Length, set according to the recipient's tolerance. With each press, the handle releases a series of shot, with the shot quantity calculated as length divided by pitch plus 1. Initiate at 0.1 J, gradually increasing after the recipient becomes accustomed. Opt for single or repeat modes based on the operator's preference. Choose single for sensitive skin and repeat for enhanced effectiveness. Tap the start button.